What's up, everyone? All right, well, today is day 40 in the small account challenge, and I'm up $1,300. Not bad, but the big account became the one I focused on again today, and I ended up making over $88,000. It was a huge day in the big account, and it came at a sacrifice in the small account. But you know what? It's a green day, and that's good. I had a red day yesterday, as you know, so glad to have a green day. And realistically, if I get 5, 6, 7 more green days like today, I'm gonna be right back up towards $28,000, $30,000, which is the goal for this small account. So making progress, slow and steady, and really today, the big day was in the big account. You guys can check out that recap separately. But as always, when it comes to trading in the small account challenge, you have to remember my results are not typical, and you shouldn't try to blindly follow me or anyone else. Trading is risky, and most beginner traders lose money, so you should trade in the simulator before you put real money on the line. Really, take it slow. All right, I hope you enjoy the recap for day 40, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 41. All right, so gonna do a recap here. Small account, day 40. Small account is up $1,392.24 in gross profit, made $293 on INDP, and then switched my focus and started trading in my big account where I made $93,000. So, well, again, as I've said, trading in the small account comes at a sacrifice. I don't mind doing that a little bit, but today I put the small account on the back burner. I made $1,300 and then switched gears. The trade that I made the $1,300 on this morning in the small account was pre-market, and it was a break right here of 12.17 as we squeezed up to a high of 12.67. It was a good trade. It was a pretty clean trade, and it was fairly straightforward buying a break of this resistance level as we saw volume coming in. So I took that trade on INDP, got green on it, and I didn't go back in with the small account. Second trade in the small account was MOSY. This one, there was some news out this morning. I jumped in it, and we ended up having a nice 5-minute setup right here as well, which I also traded. So I traded it inside this candle as it started squeezing up on news, and then I traded it again on that candle right there. Hit a high of 1280, but then just sold off since the bell is, since the 9:30 opening bell. Saw a little momentum there on the scanner on FCUV, a stock that 2 weeks ago today gave us a pretty big move, but doesn't really feel like super safe right now, kind of just catching a little bounce off the low. I think a little FOMO, that some traders are having some FOMO from the big move on INDP. Sometimes you'll see that kind of go towards another stock. But at this point, it's getting too late in the day for me to think I want to take any more trades in the small account. I'd rather just button up a $1,300 green day on day 40 of the challenge and, you know, come back tomorrow and try to have another decent day. Like 10 days away from hitting my goal. If I could just have decent days like this, not swinging for the fences and not trying to be super aggressive. So if I took a trade on FCUV or even on INDP as it was getting higher, well, that would have come at the sacrifice of my big account, which I wasn't willing to do today, but it would probably just be too risky. So I'm green, I'm grateful for that, and I'll be back tomorrow for day 41.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.